Hello, subscribers and new viewers, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to buy and sell crypto on Bitmart, a sports trading tutorial. Okay, so this is my Bitmart account. I've been using it for quite a while now. Um, okay, no, I'm not interested in trading Wall Street and all of that now. My business first is for teaching you how to trade, uh, how to buy and sell crypto on Bitmart on your mobile phone. Yes, so I should add that. So this is the mobile app of my cryptocurrency of my Bitmart account. So when you sign up, you come to the markets. When you come to the market, you will see the cryptocurrencies that are, here we have the favorite. You have the BTC, Solana, S3, AVAX, XRP, ETH. They are under the favorites. And the hot is for crypto that are doing well now. Like, okay, so under the hot category, you have the BTC, ETH, Solana, XRP, SUI, AVAX, Doge, OP, LTC, WLD, ADA, and all of that. You have the Alpha, you have the WTH, Paypin, Pump, JLP, Fatcoin, hype. You have the derivatives. This is for the perpetuals, perpetual trading. You have the TradeFi. This is for stocks. You have, okay, so those are the categories that you have here. So if you want to do spots, come to the spots or click on the trade. Come to the spots. Come to the spots. Click on BTC. If you want to trade BTC, for example, you say, so this is your BTC interface, right? So this is the BTC interface on your Bitmart account on your mobile device. Yes, so this is the BTC interface, right? So now you see, oh, sorry, I'm trying to reduce this size so that the candles can show properly. So this is the interface. You see the BTC, okay, this is the other interface. If you tap on this, you see this interface. You can see the candle, the movement of the candles. If you come here, you will see the different format. You will see the order book. This is the order book. You click on this margin, you see the margin. This is for futures trading, but we're not doing that. This is for sports trading. So normally what you do on sports trading is to buy the crypto that you want to secure or that you want to use. So here now, if you want to buy okay, this is BTC USDC. Now there are different ways to buy the BTC. You can either use the USDT, you can use the USDT. These are stable coins. Stable coins. USDE. Okay. MNT is for the Bitsmart platform, is the base token. USD1 is a stable token. Euro, you can also buy with euro. You can buy with Brazil currency. You can buy with okay, this I don't know for PLA, but I know for TRY, that is for Turkey. You can buy with Solana, BTC, ETH, and all of that. But the most popular one used in the crypto space is the USDT and the USDC. Okay, so now if you want to buy BTC, you come here. You should have funded your account. So let's go to where you can fund account. Click on assets, and the asset you will see deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert. Okay, so you can click on deposit, and these are the methods that you can use to deposit, right? So you can deposit crypto directly. You can receive from another Bybit user. You can deposit through P2P trading, and you can deposit with your card. Visa, MasterCard, and JCBs are supported. Okay, so let's go back. You can also withdraw from your sports from your Bybit account. Okay, so if you let's come back to this. So if you do come to BTC, come to this, you How many BTC do you want to buy? 0.01 BTC, that is $743. So if you know that BTC price will increase at any point in time, you can come and purchase some like this. You can, or if you're trading, you can do stop loss. So this is for trading, is that if you know that, okay, now the BTC came down some time ago, and it is beginning to come up back now. Okay, so now that it is beginning to come up, you can set take profit for like $200, and stop loss for like okay, sorry, take profit for like 500, no, okay, 200, and stop loss for like when it goes below, when the price of BTC, when your BTC goes below 650, okay, it should sell your BTC, right? Am I correct? I think so. 7 for 500. Okay, so you can say, okay, when it gets to $80,000, yeah, so you will earn $56. That's 7.5%. If you're very sure that it is going for a long run, you can say, okay, when it gets to $90,000, and then you can set take stop loss to $70,000. So at $70,000, or even $65,000. So at $65,000, you will only, if BTC comes down to $65,000, you will only lose about $93. All right. And sometimes when you're trading something like this, what you do is you come to look for the last the last what they call it now, the last lowest point that BTC got to in like the last month or the last 3 months. That is a way to set your stop loss. So if you check here, the lowest amount BTC has gotten down to was $60,000. If you see what is here now, $60,000. When I click on the daily charts, yes, $60,000. So you can set yours also. Let me see when that happened. It happened in February or January also. Yeah, between January and February. So you can also purchase here. Well, this is really easy for purchase. So you can set 60,000. This is for long, mind you, this is for long-term trading. Long-term trading, right? So you can as well purchase. Okay, so this is it. So you can set your trading in this form. You set your profit for 156. You can set it for 100. If you're sure that you get to 100,000, you can set it for this. So you get 256 profit, and for the highest loss you can get is 90% of your 90.30% of your deposit of your money, and that is $143. Okay, so this is basically how to purchase. You can also do the same for ETH. You can do the same for Aave. You can do the same for USDC. No, you can't do for USDC and USDT. We can do for Solana also. So hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel and share your comments on this video. Thank you very much.